Okay, so for this problem, they give me a point and a slope, and they ask me to write the equation of the line and slope intercept form to get started. So means we're going to be trying to fill in this y equals mx plus b equation. There's a few approaches we can take here. Like if you look in the question help, it'll probably use a formula called point slope form. My opinion is it's a little old fashioned of a strategy. I don't think it's particularly practical. I think that using this slope intercept form directly is a little better overall. So that's what I'm going to do. But if you like the other method from the Help Me Solve It Better, you can do that. But what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to plug my m into this equation, right into the m spot there. And then I'm going to take my point, which has an x and a y in it, and I'm going to plug them in for x and y in this same equation. And then I'll be able to solve for b. So we get a little lucky here because, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Those will just cancel. Don't have to worry about fractions anymore. And then we'll just solve for b. So we'll move the 8 over to the other side. So we'll get 9 for our b value. So our equation is just going to be y equals negative 8 thirds x plus 9. We'll just plug that b value back in up here. We know our m, we know our b. If we can find those two things, then we're finished. Hey, next we're asked to graph this thing. Once we have slope-intercept form, that's exactly what we want to graph from, because this value here on the end is my y-intercept. So I'm just going to start up here at 9. When you're doing it in MyMathLab, you'll just start by clicking on your line tool, and then you'll click on that 9. And then from there, we're going to use our slope to move to our next point. So slope is rise over run. So the top number is going to tell you how far to go up or down. In this case, because it's negative, we're going to go down 8, this way. And then our run is 3, so we're going to go 3 over this way. And that'll be our second point. And that's all you need to do. Click your line tool, click your y-intercept, which is at 0, 9, and then from that point, go down 8 and right 3 to get to your next point. Click again, and it'll automatically connect those 2 points and give you your line in MyMathLab. Okay, so hopefully that explains things. Please let me know if you have any other questions.